Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to check up on tasks in HubSpot. Task tracking is one of the best ways to stay organized, whether you're managing a team or just your own workload, and HubSpot makes it simple with its streamlined interface. Start by opening your web browser and heading over to hubspot.com. You'll see the clean homepage design that gives you quick access to all the tools. Next, log in with your HubSpot account. If you've forgotten your password, use the reset option to regain access securely. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the dashboard. From here, navigate to the CRM section. This is where you'll find customer management tools, including task tracking. Click on the tasks option and the task management interface will open. Here you can view all of your tasks, check their status, and set or update deadlines. To narrow your focus, use the More Filters button. You can filter by task status, priority, or due date, which makes it easier to concentrate on what matters most. These filters can be adjusted anytime, giving you flexibility as your workload changes. You can also manage task queues, which help you prioritize by grouping tasks based on urgency or type. This creates a more strategic workflow that adapts to your needs. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be able to stay on top of your tasks in HubSpot and keep your projects running smoothly, whether you're working solo or leading a team.